Good afternoon to our teachers, principals, school staff, parents, and my friends. I am very happy and excited to stand here today because today is my graduation. First of all, I want to say thank you to God. Thank you, Lord, for giving me life, strength, and a happy heart. Thank you for helping me learn my letters, numbers, songs, and prayers. Thank you for guiding me every day in school and at home. I would like to thank my mom and daddy. Thank you for loving me, taking care of me, and always believing in me. Thank you for waking me up early, bringing me to school, helping me study, and cheering for me every time I try my best. Thank you to my brother Kuya Jelly. Thank you for playing with me, helping me, and making me laugh and making me correct. When I am tired or sad, I am very thankful to have you as my kuya. To my teachers, Ma'am Jem, and Ma'am Ruby, and Ma'am Tess, thank you very much for teaching me with love and patience. Thank you for guiding me, correcting me, and helping me grow. To my all the school staff, thank you for taking care of us and keeping our school a happy and safe place. Thank you also to Tatay Tony, who is always to me. There is to bring me to school and pick me up, whether it's sunny or rainy. I really appreciate it. To my friends, thank you for being my classmates and my playmates. Thank you for sharing your time, your food, and your smiles. Because of you, my school days are full of fun, laughter, and beautiful memories that I will always remember. Today, I am very thankful and honored to receive Honorable Award. I promise to continue studying hard, listening to teachers, obeying my parents, and being kind to everyone. Once again, thank you to God, to my family, teachers, my friends, and my school. Congratulations to all of us, and God bless everyone. Thank you very much.